All right. Hello, Team Canaveral Social Studies at home. This is the screencast for Thursday, August 6th, and Friday, August the 7th. All right, you might have noticed a little bit of a change on my class homepage. You've got your attendance check-in right on the home page. We want to make sure that we get checked in for attendance early in the day. The earlier the better, so I can check that and mark you present for the day. So, while you're at home today, follow the green highlighted items, look for the location pin. I'm here today, week 1, Thursday, Friday, August 6th and August 7th. So some of you are working on this on Thursday, some of you are working on this on Friday. Now, first thing you're going to see different is a change in the layout. I mentioned in class that as we get used to this new 50-50 format, there's going to be some changes in how things look and feel. This is the first change that I think we're going to stick with for a little while. This is the side-by-side view of what our day is going to look like on Thursday and Friday. So, when you're here at school at NWMS, either on Thursday or Friday, we'll take care of these things on the left side of the page, next to the orange icons. Well, if you're at home on Thursday or Friday, we will do these items on the right side of the page, next to the black icons. So, you're at home today, your lesson agenda, you're going to watch the screencast video, which you'll see the little box right here with a link to the video. Then I want you to read, very, very quick read. This is just a few paragraphs about NASA engineer Katherine G. Johnson. Once you read that, respond to the following discussion prompt. FYI, this is also your daily attendance check-in. So, if you have already checked in for attendance, then you have already read the information about Katherine Johnson, and you've already responded to the prompt. So basically, you are done. All right, at the bottom of the page are links back to the mission homepage or all the way back to the course homepage. And that's all we got for today, guys. I will see you when I see you. Have a great day.